I'm Harley.
And I'm Chris.
From North Hollywood Toyota. And we're going to show you what we feel is the best option for you in a 2025 Tacoma.
Yeah, baby. Question for you, though, hermano. Why you got me all the way out here?
What better place to show off what this thing can do?
Makes sense to me. Let's do it. Now, Brandon, I know you've never had a Tacoma, much less a Toyota, so I want to highlight here the parking assist with automatic braking and pedestrian detection. For someone like yourself to make sure you never back into anything, or God forbid, anyone. And moreover, when you come back from camping, hiking, or paddleboarding with the family, we got you covered with the all-weather floor liners. No mess, no fuss. What could be simpler?
Now with Toyota's on-demand four-wheel drive system, you could seamlessly go from two-wheel high, four-wheel high to four-wheel low for when you're out here on the trails. Now as a first-time truck owner, you might have some questions about when to use these systems. Two-wheel high, that's for the asphalt out here. Four-wheel high, that's for these hard-packed dirt roads. And four-wheel low, well, that's for up there.
And whether you're on the pavement or the trail, Toyota's got you covered with Safety Connect to make sure that you're nothing more than a phone call away from Toyota Roadside Assistance. Even out here, help is just a phone call away.
Now, one of my biggest concerns when exploring a new trail, especially after snow or rain, is getting stuck in the mud. Like my cousin Vinny said, one tire's throwing mud in the air, the other one's doing nothing. But the Tacoma TRD Off-Road with its locking rear differential, even if one tire is completely submerged, the other one's going to get you out of the mud. Now to get to my favorite hiking spot up in Big Bear, there is a little bit of tricky terrain to get there. And with Toyota's multi-terrain monitor, it makes it a breeze. You can see past the hood to what's in front of the vehicle.
And Brandon, all of that to say, welcome to the brand new premium 2025 Tacoma TRD Off-Road. This is but a fraction of the reasons why we know this car is perfect for you and your lifestyle.
Next, we would like to invite you down to North Hollywood Toyota to take it for a ride. Let us go over these features with you one by one, prove to you that this is the perfect truck for you.
Now, Harley, that just leaves me with one question.
What's up?
How are we getting back, man?
The scenic route.